Okay, I'll suppose that u is equal to 1 minus x squared. Okay, like that. Okay, equal minus. Okay, therefore u dash in fact is minus 2x. Okay, I'll explain this. It will be u dash is equal to minus 2x. Okay, therefore if we suppose that now v is equal to 1 plus x squared, okay, like that, therefore y v dash is equal in fact to what exactly? To 2 times it will be 2 times x. Okay, therefore I'll just write this here as u over v, which means I'm going to find y dash. Okay, so y dash learners is what exactly? Is equal to fraction. Okay, this is the quotient rule we are going to use, is v times u dash minus v dash times u. Okay, all divided by what? All divided by, I'll just do like that. Alright, cat equal in fact this. Okay, divide by v to the power 2. I'll just paste this one. I will write it here down, then change x with v. Okay, this is the quotient rule, learners. Okay, the quotient rule. Okay, this is v. Therefore you can see that v is 1 plus x squared multiplied by u dash is minus 2x, because this is minus 2x, plus and this is minus the first derivative of v is this is v dash, of course. Okay, I'll just write v dash equal. Okay, and therefore we told that I will make small if it is possible. Okay, I will just put it let's say 12. Okay, 18, it's a lot, so 14. Okay, therefore we told that this is v dash. Okay, I'll just put here minus 2x multiplied by 1 minus x squared. Okay, therefore we explain this, that is negative 4x over 1 plus x squared. Okay, for this equation we move to the next part, learners. It will be exactly the question B here is written as find the stationary point and find the value of y. The stationary point means that you are going to find the x value or the x coordinates of this stationary point. After finding x value, should substitute in your function to find the value of y. Therefore, to solve this question, learners, you should set y dash equals 0, means that negative 4x over 1 plus x squared equals 0. Therefore, the denominator here never be equal to 0. Okay, therefore, so I would just suppose that negative 4x equals 0 means x equal 0. Therefore, to find the value of y, we found the x coordinates of the stationary point, so we need to find the y coordinates of the stationary point. Just you are going back to your equation and replace x with 0. Okay, because this is 0, it will be 1 minus 0 squared, y minus 0 squared, because the function is that is y minus x squared over 1 plus x squared. Therefore, I will go back to replace x with 0. It will be 1 minus 0 squared divided by 1 plus 0 squared, which is equal 1 over 1, and this last answer is the value of y. Therefore, learners, we can say that the stationary point on the curve occurs at the point 0, the point that of coordinates x equal 1, aka x equal 0 and y equal 1. Okay, so this is the stationary point. It can be a maximum, it can be a minimum. Okay, it can be, let's say, inflection point when the curve changes direction. We'll just go back and continue solving the sub-question D. He told that the question told you that try to find the stationary point. It is a minimum or maximum, meaning that you are going to study the nature of this point. Okay, first of all, to solve this question, learners, you should differentiate your equation. Okay, y dash, it's negative 4x over 1 plus x squared all to the power 2. Therefore, I will suppose that u is equal to negative 4. I will suppose that u is equal to negative 4 x, of course. Therefore, and v in fact is 1 plus x to the power x squared to the power 2. Okay, this is the v. Then I'm going to apply the quotient rule. I will just write y dash is equal to v times u dash minus u times v dash over v squared. Okay, and here let's say I will just suppose this is y double dash, meaning the second derivative of the function of this function. Therefore, if u equal negative 4x, therefore u dash is negative 4. And if v equal 1 plus x squared to the power 2, therefore v dash is this power. You see, this power should be in front of the equation. It will be this one, 2. Okay, then multiply by the first derivative of this function, learners, is in fact 2x. I'll put here 2x multiply by 1 plus x squared to the power 2 minus 1. Okay, then I will simplify this. 2 by 2 is 4x times 1 plus x squared. 2 minus 1 is 1. And now I'll just apply the formula v times u dash minus u times v dash over v squared. Okay, so negative 4, I'll make negative 4 because u dash is negative 4 multiplied by 1 plus x squared to the power 2. Why? Simply because v is 1 plus x squared minus 2 times 2x, because this is the first derivative of the function v. Okay, multiply by 1 plus x squared, then raise it to 2 minus 1, which is 1. Simply because when you are going to differentiate the function to the power n, it will be y dash n f dash fn minus 1. Multiply by the function u, which is negative 4x. Therefore, learners, you can note that negative 4 times 1 plus x squared raised to the power 2 is written here. Okay, so therefore plus, you see, negative 4x multiplied by negative 2 multiplied by 2x. Okay, this one should be equal, okay, to the power x to the power 2. I'll just write here x to the power 2. I correct this. So 2 by 2 by 4, it will be 16. Then x by x is x squared. I'll just replace this by x squared. Okay, then multiply by 1 plus x squared to the power 1. All divided by 1 plus x squared raised to the power 2, and then raised to the power 2 cancel, multiply 2 by 2 will get here 4. So it will be then I will continue solving this question. You can see that 1 plus x squared and here 1 plus x squared is a common factor. This is a common factor. I will put it outside the brackets. I will put like that. I'll just take this one if it is possible. Yes, this one, learners, it's a common factor. Okay, and this one also is a common factor, but the first one is raised to the power 2 and the second one is raised to the power 1, so I should take this one. Therefore I will make 1 plus x to the power 2 is a common factor. Okay, of what? Of negative 4 and 1 plus x squared plus 16 times x squared, because we told that 4x multiplied by 4x is 16x squared. Then I will write this as that. I will simplify this by that, or division. I will make 1 plus x squared raised to the power 4 minus 1 is written here down. Then minus 4 multiplied by 1 plus x squared to the power 1 plus 16 x squared, 16 x squared. So if you can see that it will be negative 4, this is negative 4, then negative 4x squared plus 16x squared, it will be negative 4x squared plus 16x squared, okay, minus 4. So this one learns, it gives us, let's say, 12x squared. It will give, let's say, 12x squared, okay, 12x squared minus exactly minus 4, okay, minus 4, okay. Then it will be x, so just I will check this one, negative 4 multiplied by 1 is negative 4, then negative 4 multiplied by x squared is in fact negative 4x squared, then plus 16x squared. Yeah, okay, so 16 minus 4 is 12. Therefore, learners, I found the second derivative of the function, okay. Now just I will substitute the x with 0 to find the value of this one. It will be 12 here, it will be 12, okay, 12x x is 0 squared, okay, minus 4 minus 4, it will be negative 4, okay, divided by 1 to the power of 3 is 1, so it's a maximum, okay. This is now the second derivative of the function. Now I will try to find the value of this. We thought that it will be, we thought minus, yes, correct. Now we move to the next part. We thought that so as a conclusion, y dash equal negative 4x over 1 plus x squared all raised to the power 2 is a stationary point occurs at x equals 0 and y equal 1. Therefore, the question here is find the range. I thought find the range. I will see where is the question. Okay, find the range. Okay, the question here is find the range for value of x for which the function is a decreasing function. Therefore, learners, I would just here use the first derivative of the function. This is value of x. This is x equals 0 stationary point, and I will choose some values of x which is less than 0. For example, x minus 2, minus 1, and more than 0. I will suppose that x equal 1. Then I will check the sign of the first derivative of the function. If it is positive, we will have a maximum, and if it is a negative, we will have, let's say, if it is positive, we will have a minimum, and if it is negative, we will have a maximum. But here we are going to just find the range of values for which the function is a decreasing function. The question is looking for a decreasing function. Therefore, if at x equal minus 1 y dash, when x equal minus 1 is 4 multiplied by minus 1 over 1 plus minus 1 squared all raised to the power 2, which is it will be 1 plus 1 2, 2 squared is 4, 4 divided by 4 is 1, therefore this is positive. X equal minus 1 is positive. I will make plus, and I will make this arrow to show that the function now from x less than 0 is an increasing function. Then I'm going to check exactly when x equal 1. I will just write this one. When x equal 1, I will substitute or replace x in the first derivative equation. X with 1, I will get negative 4 times 1 over 4, because 1 plus 1 is 2, squared is 4, it will be negative